Many creators ask the same question today. Why should I buy a video editing program when I can use free tools? Let's answer this clearly, using Movavi Video Editor 2026 as a practical example.
Free video editors are useful for beginners. They help you understand timelines, cuts, and basic exports. If you edit occasionally, or just want to test ideas, free tools can work. But problems appear when video becomes part of your workflow. Free editors often limit export quality, speed, formats, or audio control. They also slow you down. Many creators spend more time fixing issues than creating content. This is where Movavi changes the experience. Movavi is designed for speed, clarity, and results. You get a clean timeline, fast rendering, and ready-to-use transitions, titles, effects, and filters, without complexity. Features like noise removal, color correction, motion elements, and built-in templates allow you to create professional videos in minutes, not hours. No watermark. No confusing menus. No learning curve that blocks creativity. Movavi is ideal for YouTubers, marketers, educators, and small businesses. If you publish on YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Pinterest, or websites, Movavi helps you keep a consistent rhythm. You edit faster. You publish more often. Your content looks clean and professional. That consistency builds trust with your audience. The biggest advantage of a paid editor like Movavi is not effects. It's time. Movavi reduces friction. You focus on your message instead of fighting software. Over time, that saved time is worth far more than the cost of the program. In the first comment, you'll find a resource that explains Movavi Video Editor in detail and shows how creators use it as a complete editing solution. Explore it when you're ready.